Good morning, my dear students. I hope you are safe and well at your home. Okay, let's go to our next chapter. We can start with a new chapter. Take page number 46. Okay, so chapter 6, changes around us. So in this chapter, what we are going to learn means what are the changes that are taking place around us. Okay, we want to see what are the changes. So many changes are taking place. Example, I am telling what are the changes that taken place yourself. You can think, no, when you born, you are like this. No, we are small, our hands are small, our fingers are small, everything are very small. No, so when you grown up, everything will grow. So now we are looking not a kid. No, we are grown up. So now I can tell you as a girl, as a boy. So like that, so many changes. Not only our body changes, so many other changes that are taking place around us that we are going to see. So what a fun would it be if you suddenly get some magical power to change things around you. Suddenly God is giving one power to you. That means you can change whatever you need. So what you wish to change? Someone will wish to fly, someone will wish to disappear. Like that, so many things we have, no? So many wishes we have. But we are really, it won't happen. We know that. Okay. So what are the things you want to change? What are the things you want to change? Just record your wish and send it to me. Okay, ma'am? Okay, students? Okay. So we don't have magical power, of course. Right? Of course, we don't have any magical power. But we can still change a few things around us. Without any magical power, we have so many things that we can do. Let us see what are they. Can you list a few things you can change around you with no magic involved? That means your mother is cooking. Otherwise, you are walking. That is a things, no, that changes. You are changing your place from here to there. Is it? You are running, you are jumping, you are climbing. So all these are changes, right? So many changes are taking place around us on their own. That means plants are growing, you people are growing, your hair is growing. So without doing anything, some changes are taking place around us by their own. So in the field, the crops changes from time to time. In the field, always we are cultivating only rice. No, according to the season, the cultivation also changes and the production also, crops also changes. Okay. So sometimes leaves fall from trees. Sometimes dried leaves will fall from trees. No. So change of the color and dried out. So before that, how the leaves coming out? It is a green, fresh leaves. Now, so after some time, what will happen? It will dry. Then the color of the leaves get changes from green to brown. That is one changes. After that, it will fall down. And softness also will be not there. Fresh leaf has somewhat wetty and softness. But dry leaves, what will happen to the dry leaves? It will be dry. It does not have any water. Right? So the flower bloom and then winter away. First flower will come out from the plant. 2-3 days it will be there. After that the petal will fall off due to wind and it will go. So are any changes happening in your body? What are the changes happening into our body? What are the changes? Your hair will grow, nails will grow, hand is growing, your body is growing. You are become fat when you are comparing with your kid. Is it? So that are the changes that taken place in our body. So your nails grow, your hair grows. You are grow taller and your weight increases as you grow. So did you realize earlier time so many changes are taking place around you at the time. So come some of the changes be grouped together. So many changes are there, no? So all the changes we can't tell continuously, that we can't remember and okay. So what we can, some of the changes they are similar to each other. Okay, that means it will show the similarities. So we can group it as in one group and other in another. So how can we group various changes? due to their similarities. It might help if we found some similarities between them. Can all changes always be reversed? So we can see that all the changes are reversed. Okay, that means reversed changes means if you change one substance or if you are changing one material into another one, another shape, same material you are changing their shape, again you can able to change into the original shape. Suppose I am telling one example, if you are taking a round material, then after beating it, you are making into a flat sheet. Again, can you able to make into round? If you can, means it is a reversible changes. Let us see first activity. Activity 1. So when you want to check in this activity, it is a reversible changes or not. We want to check whether it is a reversible changes or not. Let us see. Take a balloon and blow it. So here for this activity we are using a balloon. So before blowing the air into the balloon, what will be the shape of the balloon? It is small in shape and it will be little length, straight it is. Okay. So you know that how the balloon will be. So what you are going to do? You are blowing air into the balloon. Take care, it does not burst. That means it won't broken like that. That much amount of air you should blow into it. So what will happen to the size of the balloon? The size of the balloon will become bigger. Smaller to bigger. That is one change. The size of the balloon is changes from smaller to bigger because of blowing of air into that one. So the shape and the size of the balloon have changed. Now you can see shape and also shape is changed into round, right? And the size is changed into bigger. So here while you are blowing air into the balloon, it changes its size and shape. So can you tell it is a reverse changes? What happened to that one? Bigger it happened. Now what you want to do? Now let the air escape the balloon. Then you leave the air to escape it from the balloon. So what will happen? Again the size is become smaller and the shape of the balloon also changed into their original shape. So now you can tell whether this activity is a reversed change or not. Yes children, it is a reversed changes. So activity 1 is a reversed change. Okay, next we can go to the next activity, activity 2. Activity 2 also we are going to check whether it is a reversed changes. So take a piece of paper and fold it as shown in the figure. So in your textbook you can see here paper, we are folding it into a toy aeroplane. I think most of you are familiar with doing this one. Is it? So what we are going to do? We are going to take a paper and make into a toy aeroplane. So you have changed the sheet of paper into a toy aeroplane. You may have lots of fun in flying this aeroplane, right? Yes. Once you are tired of it, unfold the paper again. You are playing with all these aeroplanes. Once you tired, what will happen? We will be come back. So that time unfold it. Then make it into a sheet. So what is the changes taking place? We take one piece of paper, it will be in rectangular shape. Is it? So while you are making into an aeroplane, the shape of the paper get changed. Is it? Shape of the paper get changed. After you tired, when you unfold the aeroplane, what will happen? Again you got the same paper. Okay. So here also we can make it back to the original size and shape of the paper. So it is also a reversed changes. So it is also a reversed change. Okay, let us see next activity. Activity 3. Activity 3. So take some dough and make a ball. So your mother will do some chapati and puri, no? So she will prepare a dough for that one. Take a small piece of dough. Then what you want to do? You want to make it into a roll. Take a piece of dough and make a ball. Like ball shape you should make. Try to roll out a roti. That using the spreader, what we want to do? Just roll it and make into a roti. May you know are not happy with its shape. So while you are making, you didn't got the correct shape, current round shape. So you are not happy with the shape. So what you want to do? Want to wish to change it back into a ball if of dough again. Again you can make into a ball. Yes, really you can make into a ball before cooking. Okay, after cooking we can't able to do. So here just you are spreading on the spreader, then make into round shape. Again you are making into ball shape. That is possible. So this is also called a reversible changes. So activity 1, activity 2 and activity 3 we can find out the changes taking place to the substance can be reversed. Okay, the changes taking place by the substance can be reversed. Now think about the 3 changes you observed in activity 1, 2 and 3. What do they have in common? What is the common in these 3 activity? Once we change the shape and size of the substance in the activity, again we can make into their original shape. That means we can take back. It is a reversible changes. So was it possible to get balloon back to its original shape? Yes. Was the size of the paper same as before and after making an aeroplane? Yes. So was it possible to get back the balloon of dough again? Yes. So what do you conclude here? What you can conclude here? In each of these 3 activities, is it possible to get back to the material? In these 3 activities, we can able to get back the materials. Okay, with which we started our activity. So if the answer is yes, it means that the changes occurring in these activities can be reversed. Did you understood? So in this one, we understood that these activities showing that the materials that we used in the activity before the activity, we can make them back to the original shape after the activity also. So we can tell that it is a reversible changes. Now let us repeat the same activity with a difference. So difference. Okay, what means? Same activity only. Take first activity. In the first activity what we done? We took a balloon and we blow it. Okay. So what we want to do? Activity. See the activity number 4. Take the same balloon which we used for activity 1. Blow it to its full size. That means maximum you should blow. And what you want to do? Tie it mouth. After blowing, tie the mouth of the balloon. Then using a small pin, just push into the balloon. What will happen? The balloon will blast. Is it? The balloon will blast. So, can you able to make the same balloon before the activity? Broken balloon, can you able to join? No, we can't able to join. So, can you tell it is a reversible changes? No, we can't able to tell it is a reversible changes. Okay, next activity. Take the same piece of paper. That means which paper we took for the activity 2, same piece of paper we are taking. Draw an aeroplane. So into that paper, just draw the aeroplane on it and cut along the outline. Just we are cutting without, instead of folding, here we are cutting the shape of the aeroplane. Okay, after cutting, will you get the same rectangular sheet paper? No. So, can you tell it is a reversible changes? No, children. It is not a reversible changes. Okay. Next activity 6. So, third activity we done now using dough. So, similarly we are doing. Roll out a roti from the ball of the dough again and bake it into a tawa. That means we should keep the roti in tawa. Okay, suppose you are asked the same 3 questions. So after cooking, can you make the duff into a ball? No, after cooking we can't able to make into a ball. So it is also not a reversed changes. Suppose you are asked the same 3 questions which you are answered after 3. What would your answer be now? No, we can't able to do. We can't able to make into their original shape. So we see that the changes which has occurred in the activity 4, 5 and 6 cannot be reversed. So in the activity 4, 5 and 6, it is not a reversed changes. Okay. So you use a pencil and an eraser. With the repeated use, their shape and size changes. Okay, pencil and eraser that you are using now. While buying from the shop, what is the size? Then again you are using, the size will decrease. Eraser also decreases. Can we reverse this change? Will you make into normal? No, it is also a non-reversible changes. Okay, so you must have seen a potter working on his wheel. Potter no, he is working on his wheel. He shapes a lump of clay into a pot. So what is this potter will do? He is making a pot, earthen pot he is making. So using the wheel, he will put some clay and he will make the pot. He will make the shape of the pot. Can these changes be reversed? After again if we mash it, we can change the shape. No. So that is reversible changes. But if you the potter, what he will do? He will just bake the earthen pot. So after baking, we cannot able to make into a clay. Okay. So that case it is a not reversible change. Before baking, it is a reversible changes. Okay. Some common changes are given in the table 6.1. Which of these changes do you think can be reversed? We find that one way we can group changes is to see if they can be reversed. So children, see the table 6.1. Some common changes. Raw egg to boiled egg. Can it be reversed? Raw egg after boiling egg. Can you changes the boiled egg to raw egg? No. So it is not a reverse change. So there you want to write no. Next, batter to idli. You are making idli batter. After cooking, it will become a idli. Can you reverse it? No. Wet clothes to dry clothes. You are wetting a cloth, then you are keeping it for dry. After again, you can keep it wet. Yes, if you put in water, it will become wet. So it is yes. Woolen yarn to knitting sweater. Woolen yarn, after knitting, it will become a sweater. So after sweater again you can take the woolen yarn. Yes, we can take. So that is also a reversed change. Grain is to its flour. Small grains, wheat grains, we are grinding into become a flour. So again, can you able to make flour into grains? Not possible. So it is not a reversed change. Cold milk to hot milk. Okay. Again, you can make hot milk to cold milk. Yes, it is a reversible change. Straight string to a coiled string. String means some thread. Straight. If you make into coil, make into round. Again, you can make into straight. No. Yes, it is a reversed change. Bud to flower. Flower bud become flower. Again, flower become bud. Same flower. You can change into bud. No, it is not reversible. Milk to paneer. We can make a paneer from milk. No. Again, can you able to change that paneer to milk? No, it is not a reverse changes. Cow dung to biogas. Cow dung we are using for biogas. Again, biogas can you able to change into cow dung? No. So that is not a reversed changes. Stretch the rubber band to its normal size. When you are stretching rubber band, it will stretch. Can you able to make it to normal shape? Yes. Leave the stretching, it will come to normal shape. So that is a reversible change. Ice cream to molten ice cream. Molten ice cream to again, if you take ice cream outside the refrigerator, it will melt. That is molten ice cream. Again, if you kept in the refrigerator, what will happen? Again, it will become ice cream. So that is a reverse change. Okay, so what is mean by reverse change? We can make the material into their actual size and shape after the activity also is called reversed changes. Did you understood, children? I hope all you understood the topic. Okay, so I will fill this one and I will send it to you in your WhatsApp group. You can copy down in your textbook. Okay, children, bye. Have a nice day.